FCC has asked Google and Apple to remove TikTok from their their app store, raising concerns pretty much on the premises of the data security. We've heard about this long ago when President Trump when he was the acting president, where he tried to ban the app from the US, but obviously his executive time frame came to an end before he could pretty much put that into fruition. So it's coming back around now, and I read an article on Adweek where they were saying that Apple and Google have until July 8th to respond. So I will keep you guys updated on that, but let me know in the comment section, what are your thoughts on this? Are you afraid for the app going away? I know I run a business on TikTok. I actually help people grow and monetize their platform on TikTok through community building and monetization. So, which I started this business in November 2021. I've helped over 400 people grow their account, and I've directly helped 65 businesses grow their account to where they're making over 4 figures a month by running their business on TikTok. So for me, it's definitely got me in a place of like, what? Come on now. But when you think about the data and the numbers, right? When you look at the numbers, you're talking about over 53, I think the Adweek said 53% of their ad revenue, which their ad revenue is like, they're over $3 billion in ad revenue. So 53% of the money that they're making from ads is coming from the US. So, and also just some more little, stats out there. TikTok is the 3rd largest social media app with over 94 million daily users. 94 million daily users, and I think they said that they are steadily growing over 8% year over year as for how many users are on the app. I love TikTok. It's one of the fastest growing platforms that I've ever been on. I've been on Instagram for years and years and years, and y'all let me know what y'all think about TikTok compared to Instagram and Facebook. And honestly, there's no comparison. There's no platform like TikTok that is going to get you the engagement that you need. You're going to see results. Okay. And again, I do feel a little bit woozy about everything that's coming out, but you have to keep in mind the FCC, I think in Adweek, and I'll pin the actual article so you guys can read it in the description. The FCC, they regulate, the apps and, all this tech stuff, but do they really have the pull to have them remove it from the app store? Do the FCC really have that much pull? Let me know in the comments. Listen, if you're new to my channel, my name is Donnell Miles, and I help people like you grow their account in the next 30 days through community building and monetization. If that's something that you're interested in, on getting these updates and strategies and tips and advice on how to grow your TikTok account for your business or your personal brand, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Get in the comment section, though, and let me know your thoughts on this, all right? Share this with 2 of your friends so they can be updated on what's going on, and I'll tune back around, on the 8th to give you the update on how this goes or what was the response or whatever the case may be. Peace.